everyone, my name is Kristen Grom. I'm here to give you an update about my hatch project. Just to give you a reminder, my idea is Power Play, and it's the app-controlled dog toy with the plush exterior. So some exciting things are going on right now in the development of my product. I'm actually making the packaging for my product right now. I've had some help with the VCT lab, so it's exciting to be able to see the packaging come to life and actually see the 3D models of it, so whenever it actually gets printed, I can have it up on stage with me to show the investors. I've also created the logo for Power Play and done a lot more with the branding. So I have a little tagline, which is, it's more than just a dog toy, it's a solution. So this is all exciting, seeing it all come together. Right now, one of my biggest challenges I'm facing is just the fact that, I'm not an engineer. I'm more of a creator, and I'm, in marketing and advertising. So I have all these great ideas for the product and how I want it to look, but I don't necessarily know how the mechanics of a robot work. So I know what I want it to do, but whenever I go to say, hey, I want the robot to move this way, or I want the plush to go over it this way, it's not always as easy as I'd hope, because I don't know how to get a robot to move this way or that way, because I need to make it safe for the dog and so forth. So I've, gotten the help of Kurt Kern, some industry professionals, and I've even asked the Collab Lab, Jerry Schnepp, for some help as well. I've enlisted a lot of help. So it's a process. It's definitely rigorous, but I enjoy every second of it. So I just wanted to say thanks for following me, and make sure to keep following my journey in the hatch. Hashtag HatchlingKristen. Thank you.